the wake of the mounting uncertainties surrounding the future of democracy in the United States, I'm stepping forward committed to action in defense of the principles that sustain an inclusive and fair democratic nation. A professional with experience in both private and public sectors, I am uniquely positioned to serve as a delegate for the Democratic Party. With a background in grassroots projects, task forces, community development, labor laws, and healthcare reform, I have demonstrated a steady commitment to the principles of fairness, inclusion, equality, and the protection of human rights. Through meaningful conversations, I have garnered insights crucial to advancing optimal socioeconomic models for progress. Also, being involved as a civilian in the military readiness program, I have been a strong advocate on the many issues active duty and military families face to further improve the quality of life of military members. I recognize the importance of maintaining elected democratic officials into office to address the challenges that afflict our country effectively. I am dedicated to representing the values and interests of our party, ensuring that the voices of all constituents are heard and respected. I am committed to working tirelessly to advance the democratic agenda and drive positive change to our nation, addressing important questions that many citizens have regarding the future of the United States and what consequences this election can bring to the actual state of democracy.